experimentation tonight against Real Madrid. Messi gets past Casemiro. He's going to have to watch his step tonight, Casemiro. That's his job, to stop the flow in midfield, and the referee. A very early booking, that's dangerous.
He doesn't need to get. That's one of the things he needs to improve on for me. That's tightrope rope he's walking now, and he doesn't really need to do that early on. He's
to see for any footballer.
He's in trouble. He's got a whack in the mouth there.
Get the fuck up. Simon says, get the fuck up. Get the fuck up.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
Lionel Messi!
Oh my goodness!
Lionel Messi does it again. He's superhuman. Lionel Messi has just exploded La Liga into life.